So on that note, we want to say thank you to Gateway, as it's been a good run, but we will no longer be having our discs or molds produced by them. Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is Josh Jones. I'm the owner of AGL Discs and the founder of Above Ground Level. The family business originally started in 2011 under a different name and then changed to Above Ground Level in 2013. At that point, we were only a disc golf brand, and we were putting our logo and our branding on other people's products and other manufacturers' discs. We finally built up a small community, some savings, and a lot of momentum to the point where we were ready to invest in our first mold. But how do you go about doing that? We had no idea what we were doing, so we first started with a CAD or STP file that we could use to create our first mold. That mold, our original Cypress, was approved in April 3rd of 2017, and it was done with our first production company. But this allowed us to be called a manufacturer and not just a brand. Now, overall, the disc did not have the ultimate success that we had hoped for, but it did help establish ourselves in the industry and even more so as a manufacturer. Soon after that, we began working with Gateway, and for the last 7 to 8 years, we were able to produce 15 new molds with them. They also helped us focus on our mission or our initial goal of using regrind and recycled materials in our disc golf production. So on that note, we want to say thank you to Gateway, as it's been a good run, but we will no longer be having our discs or molds produced by them. Unfortunately, we will actually be discontinuing all the molds that were produced over at Gateway. But again, we want to say thank you to David and everyone there at the Gateway facility. So where are we going? This is where we look to the future and the main goal of providing the very best for our customers. So we have decided that this is the right direction for our company and brand, and this will be the next phase of AGL, because overall, we're not going anywhere. That being said, our new production company was the creator of the first disc golf disc and by far the most diverse catalog in the industry. The choice is clear. The choice of champions, Innova. So when I first started playing disc golf, I was using Innova, and it's only right to come full circle back to be with the company that I first started using. I'm truly excited to work with Innova because even though they are as big as they really are a family brand, and that's what AGL is. They have been nothing but transparent, upfront, and amazing to work with, and I think we both look at this as a win-win for both brands. Now we can say AGL is produced in California, stamped in California, and shipped out of California. But what does this mean for us in being green? Because many of you know us as the pioneers of the Go Green style of disc golf manufacturing. We had a goal of shaking up the industry, hoping to get the big names to think about how much regrind or recycled materials they use in disc golf production to minimize waste. So thanks to Innova willing to work with us while being so transparent, because they have allowed us to still focus on that goal of using regrind and recycled materials in our disc golf production. We will be creating a set recipe for each of our plastic types that we will be using in our molding. We think this is huge not only to be working with the biggest name in disc golf, but it's also huge because they're willing to work with us and keep our dream a reality. I think this is the definition of changing the industry for the better. And now we are also going to be able to provide our customers with amazing consistency and quality control while still using regrind materials for our disc golf production. We plan on working with Innova to provide more tournaments in our area while still focusing on our goal of giving back to the community through our various avenues and partners that we work with to fundraise for various causes. And as always, we'll still be doing a plant of a tree with every single disc you purchase with us, or product in that matter. So looking ahead, we believe that by having our disc golf production done by Innova, we can look into the future with confidence, knowing that we will be able to weather any storm with such a reliable stronghold and such a strong support system. As always, we are an open book at AGL. If you have any questions or comments, please comment below. And if you guys want to email me, please email us at info@agldiscs.com, or you can reach out via phone at 408-520-0250. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.